So I woke up, I did school for about an hour, then I worked outside, then we went to Flint to buy the fireworks. We bought like about $200 worth. I will show those in a bit. Now I'm at the church, I'm gonna go home, and I gotta go to my grandparents. And I have some other work to do for the party. I don't have any plans today. This vlog is going to be super short because the stupid edit I did before this. So I made it to my grandparents. So, this is all the fireworks we have for the fireworks show on Sunday. It should be an amazing show, and if it's not, then something went wrong. Okay, now I'm going to move outside to better lighting that's not like yellow and stale, so that I can talk about what I want to talk about. So, tomorrow's going to be the Loons game. It's going to be a lot of fun. I should be vlogging the entire thing, because why not? I'm gonna have to carry my backpack, so I'm gonna have to empty my backpack of all the illegal things. Not that I have any.